Hello friends, today we are going to learn about someone very important. Her name is Kym Worthy. She was born in 1957, and she grew up to become the first black woman to serve as county prosecutor in Michigan. A prosecutor is a lawyer who makes sure people who break the law are held responsible, and that victims of crimes have someone to fight for them. Kym Worthy was born in Detroit, Michigan. Her parents believed in education, and they taught her to work hard and never give up. Growing up in Detroit in the 1960s was not always easy. There were big changes happening in America, and people were fighting for civil rights. Even as a young girl, Kym could see how important it was for people to have leaders who cared about fairness and justice. She loved to read and to learn new things. She worked hard in school and dreamed of helping people. She decided early in her life that she wanted to become a lawyer because lawyers could help people find justice. After high school, Kym went to the University of Michigan. She studied hard and earned her college degree. Then she went to law school at the University of Detroit Mercy Law School. Law school is a place where you learn all about rules, laws, and how to argue cases in court. Kym learned that lawyers can stand up for people who cannot always stand up for themselves. This idea became a very important part of her life. In 1984, Kym Worthy began her work as a lawyer. She started as a prosecutor in Wayne County. Wayne County is where Detroit is located. In that job, she worked on many cases. She had to stand in court and show the judge and jury why someone who broke the law should be held accountable. She was known for being tough, smart, and very well prepared. She also had to face challenges because she was a black woman in a job that was mostly held by men. Some people doubted her, but Kym did not give up. She showed that she was more than capable. In 1992, she became the first black woman elected to the Detroit City Council. The City Council is a group of leaders who make decisions for the city of Detroit. On the council, she worked on laws and policies to make the city better. She cared about safety, schools, and making sure people were treated fairly. After a few years on the council, she decided to go back to being a prosecutor. She felt her true calling was in the courtroom, fighting for justice. In 2000, something historic happened. Kym Worthy became the Wayne County prosecutor. That means she was the top lawyer for the whole county. She was the very first black woman to ever hold this job in Michigan. This was a huge moment in history. She now led one of the largest prosecutors' offices in the United States. As prosecutor, she supervised hundreds of lawyers and staff. She was in charge of deciding which cases would be brought to court and how they would be handled. This is a job that takes courage, strength, and fairness. One of the most famous cases she worked on was against Detroit's mayor at the time, Kwame Kilpatrick. He had been accused of breaking the law by lying under oath and misusing city money. Many people were nervous about the case because it involved such a powerful person, but Kym showed great bravery. She filed charges and proved that even leaders had to follow the law. This case showed her strong belief that no one is above the rules. Another major achievement was when Kym Worthy discovered that Detroit had thousands of untested rape kits. These were boxes of evidence from crimes that had been left sitting on shelves for years. This meant many victims never saw justice. Kym decided this was not acceptable. She worked hard to raise money to test all of the kits and to bring justice to those victims. This project was not easy. It took years of effort, teamwork, and fundraising, but Kym never gave up. She believed that every victim deserved to have their case heard. Her determination gave hope to thousands of people. Kym also cared about children and families. She started programs to help keep kids safe and to stop violence before it happened. She wanted young people to know they had a future and did not need to turn to crime. She believed in second chances and in teaching people to do better. Being a prosecutor is not easy. Kym faced long hours, tough decisions, and sometimes even threats, but she stayed strong. She often said that justice is not about what is popular, but about what is right. She showed great courage in facing difficult choices. She also showed young people that women, and especially black women, can be leaders in places where they were not always welcome. Today, Kym Worthy is celebrated as a trailblazer. She has inspired many young people to become lawyers, leaders, and fighters for justice. She teaches us that hard work, courage, and fairness can change lives. She reminds us that even when problems seem too big, we can solve them step by step, just like she did with the thousands of untested cases. Her story shows that one person really can make a difference. So now you know the story of Kym Worthy. She was a little girl who dreamed of helping people, and she grew up to change history. She became the first black woman county prosecutor in Michigan. She fought for fairness, she stood up for victims, and she proved that justice belongs to everyone. The lesson from her life is clear: never be afraid to stand for what is right, never be afraid to lead, and always believe that you can make a difference too. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share with others.